The American Music Award goes to... Oh, he made me Good job, you guys.
Justin Bieber. Oh my God, it's so cute.
Wow.
Justin Bieber's second win tonight. He now has 6 AMAs. And for one more tonight, Artist of the Year.
So cute.
Look at what they're doing tonight.
I feel violated
She
right
kissed
now.
him.
First of all,
Two.
last time I was up here, I forgot to thank the man, Usher Raymond, because he is the man. I could go into all the details right now about why he's the man, but I would be here all night. Also, I want to say thank you to the whole Island Def Jam team. I want to thank, again, my family, my mom, my dad, my little brother and sister, all the fans again, and thank God. Without him, I wouldn't be here, so thank you. Love you! You did it!
He's so cute. Yeah.